TSK International is at the forefront of high-quality, tailor-made, performance-based needle innovations. With a history in biopsy needle development stretching back almost 50 years, TSK International has continued to innovate and launch first-of-a-kind needle and cannula solutions to the aesthetic, dental, ophthalmology, and interventional radiology markets. As a company, we believe in getting the most out of life, being the best we can be, and that extends to the innovation behind our products, how we treat our staff, our customers, and the world around us. TSK International values people. We know that our employees perform better when they feel happy, healthy, and challenged to achieve their full potential. The company embraces diversity and encourages freedom of expression. We also value the relationship with our customers and believe in doing business openly, honestly, and fairly, thinking in solutions with a can-do attitude. We are constantly evolving and creating new products, solving problems, and continuing to raise the bar when it comes to the science of needles and cannulas. TSK International shapes the market for medical needle solutions. We are a leader in the field, and we want you to join us on this journey.